She's called Inang for a reason, because she births stories that live in us long after the credits roll. Olivia Lamasan gave us love stories with depth, family dramas with rawness, and characters who looked and loved like us. She is a North Star, steady guiding, ever present. She captured the soul of a nation, one frame at a time.
Kay Direk Olivia Eb Lamasan.
Maraming salamat to our audiences who have allowed your hearts to be touched, to learn, to be moved, to be educated, to be entertained by the stories we tell. This inspires me to continue creating works that will honor and that will serve the Filipinos. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Inang, for that very special...